Hi guys! Hello mga ka-drummer. Ako nga pala si Owa. And for today's video, I'm gonna unbox something and I'm so excited. And I just bought this yesterday from JB Music. And ayun, unahin muna natin itong freebies nila. The Siljan cymbal bag. Ayun, okay naman siya, may backpack siya. May symbol pa dito, may lalagyan sa likod. And you have pocket here. Yun. May laman pa sa loob siya. May strap pa siya. Nice. Pwede pang paglagyan ng kung ano-ano man. Stick or splash. Nice. Ang size nga pala nito is 20 hanggang 20 inches ang ride. And ayun. Let's go to the main highlight, and I'm so excited. We're gonna Siljan K-Sweet cymbal pack. Ayun. I'm gonna unbox this, and come on, let's join us. Siljan K-Sweet cymbal pack, and nagko-consist siya ng isang hi-hat na 15 inches and crash na 17, isa pang crash na 19, and isang ride na 21. Grabe yung mga sizes niya, parang mga hindi siya normal na size, and that's what's special about it. And tingnan natin. Let's go! What's inside? You know. Wow! Hi-hat bottom. Wow, wow, wow talaga. I think this is the hi-hat top. 15 inches. Let's go! You know, size 17, no? Woo! Let's go! Siljan Sweet Crush size 19. Let's go! Ganda! Thank you, Lord! K-Sweet ride, and ang size niya is 21. Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo! Ganda talaga. Ayan guys, tara, ikabit natin. Woo! Ito yung kanyang size 15 na hi-hat. Woo! Let's go! Sweet Crush. Size 17. We got the Sweet Ride na size 21. Grabe talaga. Sobrang ano niya. Special. And this one is the K-Sweet size 19. Ay. Sarap naman, sir. Let's go. Yan na yung set. Woo. Ayun. Thank you so much for watching my video, mga ka-drummers. Thank you so much din kay JB Music Lipa and JB Music Philippines. See you again. Ciao.